Many beginners get confused when learning HTTP methods in ASP.NET Core Web API. They see get, post, put, delete, but they are not sure when to use which method. Some people learn HTTP methods using minimal API, others see examples using controller API, and then the confusion starts. Are both the same? Which one should I use? And how HTTP methods actually work in real code. Hello everyone, I am Harsh. In this video, I will explain HTTP methods in ASP.NET Core Web API using both minimal API and controller API with very simple and practical example. Let's start with real example. Suppose I want to get all user, then I will use the get because get is always used to read the data or retrieve the data. First, let's see in the controller. In the controller, if you see this API, we have the HTTP get. This is the get method. So this method will use for retrieve the data. Now let's see in the minimal API. Minimal API, we have to use app.map_get. And here I will add some endpoint like users and then comma, and then in this we will have the implementation. From this endpoint I will simply return one string like this is from minimal API. Let's rerun it and refresh it. Here we can see the minimal API here. Let's click on test request, click on send. We'll get the minimal API response. This we already saw in controller API. So here if you want to add the endpoint like users, you can add using route, and here we will pass users without slash. Let's rerun it. Go to browser, refresh it. If you see here, we are getting the name what we have set in our API, but we are not getting this users endpoint like how you got it for minimal API. So here I will remove this name from here so that we will get that endpoint like minimal API endpoint. Let's rerun it. Go to browser, let's refresh. We can see here the endpoint users. This is from the controller. Now we can test it from here. We can get the response. So this is how we can use the get method in minimal API as well as in controller. There is no difference between these two. Suppose I want to add new user, then I will use the post method. So how to use that? For that we have map post. Here I am not writing any complex logic. I will simply return the string. Here I will say post, and here I will set add. Here I will return user is added. And the same for the controller. I will copy it. I will paste it here. This time I have to use HTTP post attribute. Here I will set add, and also here I will say add. I will change it to string, and I will return user added from controller API. Let's rerun it. Go to the browser, refresh this page. This time we will get two methods, get and post. This time we will see this post method. Let's send it. We will get user is added. From the controller API also we can test it, send it, user added from controller API. This is how we can use the post method. Suppose I want to modify the existing data or existing user. In that case, we will use the put method. For that, we have attribute HTTP put. And here I will replace it to update. User updated from controller API, and for minimal API, we have map put. I will say update. User updated. This also I will replace with update. Let's rerun and see. Go to the browser, refresh the page. This time we will see the put method. Let's test it. Click on send. We will get user updated. From the controller also we have one API for the put method, that also we can test it from here. We will see user updated from controller API. If we want to delete existing data, then in that case we will use the delete method. How to use it? We have HTTP delete for the controller API. Let's use it. And here I will say delete. Here I will say method name is delete. User deleted from controller API. Similar in the minimal API, we have map delete. I will copy it and I will paste it here and I will say deleted, and let's run and see. Go to browser, refresh the page. This time we will see one delete endpoint. This is the delete. Let's test it. User deleted. This is from minimal API and this is from controller API. We can see here user deleted from controller API. This is how we can use get, post, put and delete method in our ASP.NET Core Web API. I hope you learn what is HTTP method and how to use the HTTP method like get, post, put and delete for our API using minimal API and using controller API. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let's subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends.